Good afternoon, everyone. It's an honor to stand here to introduce myself. My name is Gulbaur Kiyamova. I'm originally from Tajikistan. 2 years ago, I moved with my family to the US, and I started studying to Manhattan School on January 2023 and successfully completed on May 2024. During my time here, I met a lot of friends, and also thanks for coordinators, especially for Dr. Victor. He's a good doctor. He's the best. For teacher Miss Torn, Miss Chowdhury, and Miss Tamana, for all of them. I'm really grateful for them, for their support and excellent education.